Okay, first of all, we can make the basic platform with using the rectangle in here. So the dimension for the length platform is around 9.7 meter and the depth of the platform around 4.9 meter. Now we have to push it up in here. Now we can make the curve on the middle in here. We can make the curve on the middle just like this, and then now we can push it down in here, and maybe we can add more platform in here and make another platform in here. You can push it up. Then triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then now we can make the water materials in here on the position in here. Then now we can change with another color of this platform. We can use this one. Okay, then now we can make the line path in here, in this position in here, and on the position, and just place on this base of the water in here. Okay, then now we can make again about the another piping. Okay, and just place. Okay, and then now we can just place to the position. Okay, then now we can make the line, okay, and then just place the position in here, and just place, and just place to the position in here. Okay, so we have to move it up a little bit in here and make the line in here. You can click and just move it up and just place on the position in here. Okay, then now we can click the line. Okay, it's like this. You can click the line also, click and move it up, type 150 millimeter. Then we can click and move, type 150 millimeter, and just click and just move 150. Then now we can click and select a move, type 150 millimeter. Then now we can click and move it up, type 150 millimeter in here. You can click and just move, type 150 and just move. Okay, 150 millimeter, enter. Okay, then we can click the basic line and move it up, type 150 millimeter in here. Okay, so we have to make sure that the line are not connected directly with the surfaces or the basic platform in here. So we have to make sure that every single line path have the gap and have the space in here, so it's not directly touch the surfaces, it's not directly touch for every single surfaces over there. And then we can select the JHS PowerBar Plugin, and then now we can select the pipe along path, and I just set up like this, and okay, and triple click and pipe along path, and triple click again. Okay, and select pipe along path, and again, and triple click the pipe along path, and triple click and click the pipe along path. Okay, just like this. So it was done for the piping and routing on this basic platform in here. So I hope you can make the another variation you can apply with your work, with your utilize work in here, and so you can change about the color like this. Okay, it's depend on you anyway. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial, so we can also add the shadow in here to make it more representative and also realistic. And then now we can also make the metal materials like this one. Okay, we can change the materials like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching.